guys my secret of how I cracked the TikTok algorithm. When I say cracked, I mean that I get about 100 to a million or more views per every single video that I post on my small business page. I have a secret that I think works really well, and I have seen businesses, creators, and so many other niches on TikTok using this formula, and I just think it works very well. So let's get right into this video. This is my most recent videos. The only reason why these first two videos don't have 100,000 views yet, because I just posted them today. I have 463,000 followers so far, which I personally think for the engagement that I have for 400,000 followers, I feel like I have amazing engagement, because I have seen users on TikTok that have millions of followers and they still don't get these types of views, or a lot of people think they're shadow banned and they still don't get these types of views. So I'm going to be telling you guys all about that today as well. You can see that a lot of these videos have anywhere from 100,000 to over a million views on some of them. This one literally got 6.5 million views, and I'm going to show you guys what that video was. You guys are going to seriously flip out, because it's seriously the most simple thing that you could imagine posting about. I'm going to quickly show you guys that video right here before we get started.
What happens if you drop the boba babies? Who are we going to drop? He's okay.
And that was 6.5 million views. It's really that simple. And if you want to know how much I got in sales for that one video, I will show you the analytics right here for that day and the day after. Absolutely insane. I also want to mention that I don't ship worldwide right now. I only ship to the United States. So these are the analytics just for the United States. When I decided to ship worldwide, I really want to see what those analytics are. But right now I'm only shipping the United States, which I find very interesting. So this is just US buyers. So how do you get these types of views for such a simple idea and concept? My first tip would be, if you guys see somebody else doing something, don't try to just go along with the trends. When I first started my small business, I was doing trends that I saw other small businesses doing, and it just didn't work as effective for me personally as it is now. So here is the number one thing that I think makes my videos go super viral, is the fact that my videos are kid friendly. TikTok is an app very different than a lot of other apps. A lot of kids aren't on Instagram as much as they're on TikTok or any other app that you'd imagine so. Just by the tone in your voice and the way that you present the video will make something kid friendly. Take advantage of the fact that a lot of people on your For You page are kids. So a lot of you guys that might watch this video today, you might say, well, I don't sell cute products for kids. I don't sell things like this. That does not matter. I could literally market a toothbrush. I'm actually soon to be registered dental hygienist. I could literally market a toothbrush for kids, and it could be an adult toothbrush, but you can still make content that is kid friendly. When I first started my business, I started selling lashes and beauty because it's something that I love. But I quickly realized that it was something that a lot of people were doing, and I wanted to create a product that was a little different than what other people were making. Something that people could enjoy of all ages. Most of my customers are 21 and older. It has nothing to do with that I'm making things for kids, because I'm not. So the reason for this is because when your TikTok shows up on the For You page, because a lot of the chances that it's going to be kids watching it, the thing about kids is they're more likely to comment and like than someone that is our age that will just kind of be like, okay, and just keep scrolling, something irrelevant. Kids are a lot more interactive with other people's content. So the more kids that you can get to interact with your videos, the better chance that your videos are going to show up on other people's For You page and get leveled up to others. So another thing is you guys can see in these videos that I don't show my face. You don't have to show your face, but what I do think you should use is you should use your own voice. I think by using my voice in my videos, it makes my videos stand out and makes them a little differently than just using songs. One big thing that used to be trending that is no longer trending is the guilt tripping videos that some people do post. When TikTok first released, a lot of small businesses were guilt tripping in a sense to get people to buy their products. It was almost like a marketing scheme, and a lot of people were abusing that just to get sales. I didn't think that was right totally. There was one time where like I told my story about like how I rely on my business for an income since my husband and I do this full time, but I never felt the right to be like, oh, I get no orders. Oh, I don't have any orders. Please somebody order for me. If you're like that, I personally wouldn't order from somebody that nobody else is ordering from. If you see that a bunch of people are in the comments like, I need this, you feel a sense of urgency to go and buy that product. So even if you're not getting sales, fake it as if you are. Nobody wants to buy from somebody that's complaining about not getting sales. Not only is that unprofessional, but it's guilt tripping and TikTok is not having it anymore. Another thing is if you want to show your face, show your face. I don't feel it's necessary anymore for me to show my face because I think I like what I'm doing right now. I show my face like every so often on my TikTok, but it's not something that you absolutely have to do. Another thing is a lot of people think that by adding themselves to the creator fund, which is when TikTok pays you for views, that you will get shadow banned. This is 1,000% not true. I have been on the creator fund since the time I hit 10K on my business TikTok, and it has not affected my engagement one bit. If you have a business account on TikTok, make sure you're on the creator fund. Not only is that another source of passive income that you can spend investing it in other ways into your business, but it does not affect the way that TikTok shows your posts at all. So another thing that I think makes my TikTok stand out on the For You page is when I have really excellent lighting. I wait until about 6 or 7 o'clock at night before I start recording my TikToks. And that's because the sun comes in perfectly from outside and makes like a glow onto my products that I have up here. The lighting alone makes the video just look so much more aesthetically pleasing, which will keep the viewers on your video longer. You want to make sure that you quickly make your videos and there's no spacing between your talking when you have your videos, because TikTok will show your videos more if people are watching it over and over again or if they finish the whole video. So make sure you keep it short and simple. I think hashtags did help my TikTok personally, but stay away from small business hashtags. When I first started my small business, I used to use all the small business hashtags because I saw other people doing that. Don't do what other people are doing. So what I did was I found hashtags that I thought could help my business be pushed to the right people. For example, I started selling these really cute boba squishies, and I clearly saw that in the market right now, Squishmallows are like a huge thing, and they are a huge company. So I did use like a couple hashtags that were just Squishmallows. Now, I would never do that to a small business. Like, I would never like hashtag a small business because that's just kind of like shady, like you're trying to take their customers. But for a giant business like Squishmallows, I didn't think it was that hurtful. Plus, they don't even have a TikTok. It's just not the same. So ethically, it's still okay to do that. Or if you want to like hashtag, like if your customers are into anime and you have anime products, you could do like hashtag anime or just things like that. Or of course, hashtag boba, because a lot of my products are like boba inspired as well. I of course use like hashtag boba, but stay away from those small business hashtags as well. Another thing that I think helped me crack the TikTok algorithm with my small business was that I show my products on the shelf. Like back here, you can kind of see like I have all my products out. So I have a bunch of products that I display out, and then I have products obviously that's in storage. But just by showing your customers what you have as if you were like in a store, that also makes it very aesthetically pleasing for them to want to buy one of your products. Because at the end of the day, these videos are not for entertainment. At the end of the day, these videos are to create more buyers for my store and to have them come to the store, not necessarily for views. But because TikTok pays for views, that makes it a really excellent choice as to use TikTok since they do pay for views. I'm going to be doing a video about how much TikTok pays me personally for my small business page, just so you can have an idea. It's not a super bunch of money, but I feel like anything helps, and it's passive income that I can reinvest in my business. Another thing that I have found very helpful in creating more engagement is replying to your followers. So you can actually hold a comment down and you can reply to it. So when one of your followers says like, they want you to do something or like whatever, or like they have a question, use that tool, because I also think that will help as well. You guys, I thought this was an obvious one, but make sure you guys clean your rooms. I have seen small businesses on TikTok that they show their dirty carpet or they show their dirty room, and it just doesn't look good, especially when you're selling like lip gloss and like products that people are putting on their face. If you have a dirty room, like, first of all, don't show it in your videos, because it just like it just will turn your customers off, and it just makes the video look super unprofessional. So my tips are: gear your videos to kids, keep your videos under 15 seconds, use your voice, don't guilt trip your customers, never let people know that your business is not doing well, and most importantly, have fun with your content. People will know if it feels forced or you don't like it. I hope hope this video helped you to crack the TikTok algorithm as well. As a small business owner, it's very hard to get on the For You page originally. It took me like a month to really start getting it, but be consistent, and once you get to a certain point, you can start creating content and all of it will go viral if you follow these things. I hope this video helped, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.